So happy birthday to me. Well, first of all, happy Vlogmas. I'm looking really crazy. It's my birthday, so I'm about to do my makeup. Right now I got an Origins charcoal mask. I love Origins products, that they're organic, you know, plant-based. What's up, what's up? But I'm officially 25. I cannot believe it. Like, I feel like I'm getting really older. You know, like when you hit 21, you're like, okay, I'm just getting started. I'm finally grown, you know, officially grown now. Like, you can buy liquor and everything. However, when you turn, like when you go through 21 to 24, you're like, okay, I'm still young, but when 25 hits you, you feel like you're so old because you're so close to 30 now. Like, it's just, you know, it's just like overwhelming. And no, I'm just kidding. I am super blessed. I am super happy that I'm able to, you know, see another year. God bless me with another year. Thank you, God. Love you. I'm sad I can't, you know, be with my friends at this moment, like, and party with them, and, you know, do like the tradition, like when it's, you know, our birthday, we turn up no matter what, no matter who birthday is, like, you know, we all support each other. And now it's just like I'm by myself all the way in Texas. I have no friends. Well, I have work friends, and I do call them my, like, work friends. Like, we haven't hung out outside of work yet, but they're my babies. And I feel like I don't have no friends. Like, I'm used to, like, me and my friends been friends since, what, freshman year and before then. Somebody's car alarm going off. I look crazy now. I took that down. I look like really crazy. They're not gonna be nosy. No, the guy. So let me tell y'all, like, this week, this guy, his freaking door been open for like 2 days straight. And normally me and Jean, we don't park on the opposite side of the house. We park like right in front of our house. However, it's been full and packed lately, so we've been having to park at the opposite side. So we go up that side, and this guy door been open for 2 days straight. You know, we keep walking by, and I'm like, Jean, his door is open. Like, what are we supposed to do? So we ended up calling the police and telling them that the door been open for a while, and they came and my bad, trying to get this together. His door been open, so we called the police. The police finally came and closed the door. They didn't call us back and tell us like everything was alright. He went in there, cause I'm like, who leaves that door open for 2 days straight? Like, it was kind of cracked, like he forgot. Like, you know how somebody keep like run in and out and they just crack the door, like they run into their car or something. It was like that. But I'm like, no, not for 2 days straight. What's so funny, big girl? This is my big mama. Hi, big mama. My son is in the bathroom. Oh, there you go. Show him what you made of, Summer. Oh. Ah! Oh my God. Summer, sit down, girl. Let's try this again. You okay? Whoop your butt. You're trying to stand up. I'm going to wash this off my face because it's time, and then put my makeup on. Then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Say bye. Say see you guys in a little bit. Summer, what you looking at? I'm watching YouTube. She's looking at all these. She's looking at Neek right now. Life is Neek. Because on the TV, when you watch it and you stop on like their video, like their thumbnail, it still moves and stuff. So she's watching Neek going like this. Say see you guys later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, don't mind my son, he's in the bathroom, taking a bath. You don't like to use his bathroom. I'm gonna wash this off. So you know my skincare routine of what I do. So I go ahead and massage this off. just do it this way because I can't find my spin brush. So, Frosty face wash. But I'm not going outside today, so I don't really need a moisturizer. So just leave it at that.